Welcome to Yay.com. Today we'll be walking you through the second of two new methods of deploying our VoIP apps to your staff. This manual deployment method gives account holders the most control. Once you're logged in, head to the Apps panel of the Voice section. Toggle Automated Deployment to off and generate a company code if you haven't already done so. From here, it's over to your staff members to download the app and input their phone number and an SMS verification code. Next is the company code you generated earlier. Users will type in some identifying details so that you know who has just registered their app. Now it's back over to you, the account administrator, to allocate this member of staff a SIP user and extension. Refresh your dashboard and you'll see all pending app user assignments in a new panel. From here, it's as simple as assigning a user from the drop-down menu. And here's our newly registered user, assigned to extension 1001. Once allocated, the user will be signed into the app and will see the correct SIP user details and extension under Settings. Simply repeat these steps for the rest of your staff to complete the process. Thanks very much for watching. Tell us which deployment method you like best down in the comments, and be sure to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. We'll see you in the next video.